Hey, good day everybody. I've got these wall sconces that these guys sent me. Let's check it out. I'm going to do an unboxing and review on them. There's everything that came in the box. 10 inches that way. And then these things, these lights here, are just over 3 1/4. So these are battery operated. I'll show you how to put batteries in this. So this bottom piece just unscrews from this top piece. You just twist it. You put 3 AA batteries in there, put it back on and lock it in. Each light comes with its own remote. This mounting bracket is going to go with this too. Alright, here's what the lights look like, so you can push them. Ooh, that's cool. Oh, that's neat. Oh, I had no idea they would do all these colors. That's awesome. Now for the remote, we just pull that little tab out of there. Okay, this is just a demo for the remote real quick. There's on and off. Works great. Let's check out some of the functions of this. So let's try red. There's red, a little bit less red, a little more orange, yellow, green, a little less green, greenish blue, light blue. Wow, a whole bunch of cool colors on here. Oh, purple too. Very nice. Turn this back on. Let's see what this does. Plus, nice and bright. Oh, I see. Okay, so that's just white. Let's go back to red. I like red. Green's cool. So let's try to brighten that up a little bit. And if you want it less bright, push that negative sign there. And how about white? There we go. Okay, this is kind of a cool function too. So turn it on and then ramp it all the way up. I'm on the red light setting. So ramp that all the way up. And I want to show you for smooth. That's what it looks like for smooth. Does some special lights there. And then fade. It'll sit and do that. How cool. All right, let's get these installed and then show you some demos with the cover on it and then fully installed at the end. I'm getting ready to put these things on this board for demo purposes here. Take a look at this. This is nice. So this is how that's going to go. That's going to mount there. That's going to mount on there. You're going, all right, how do I get the light in the right spot? Well, it's got a magnet on the back. So that's how that thing's going to stay on there. Cool. Okay, one thing I recommend when you're putting this on the wall is use your level. These screws are just going to go right in here. Okay, now these screws are going to go right in here. Okay, then you take this, put those screws through the big holes, and it'll push down like that, and then we'll just tighten these up. Okay, so now I just kind of loosened up those screws a little bit so you can see how it goes on. Then we'll just take this off so you can put the shade over it. Okay, here's the shade, and you can see it has these little cutouts right there. Those cutouts are to go around this. Okay, that's how it goes. So these things here just snap onto that. Just snap right in there. See, I've got the cutout there around the mounting piece. And then there's a seam. There's a seam, and that seam matches up with this corner right here. Just bring this thing around and snap it all in. If you do it like this, it's real easy. You can just kind of roll this thing like that, and then it'll snap in. Let me just show you here so you can see it. See that snapped in? And with this piece here, it snaps right in. Do that all the way around. And on the back here, the two seams are held together with Velcro. Now I'll just take it here, slide it over those screws. Now we'll go ahead and, using the magnet on the back, go ahead and put the light in there. You can put it whatever height you want. Okay, all I did to make sure that this thing's level and is going to be the same distance on the other side, I'm installing both sconces on the wall, but I took a measurement from the roof and then I put a level on top of this too. And then I'm just putting the drywall screws in there. I marked the holes, now I'm putting the screws in. Double checking the level there. There we go. So that's how that works. Just hangs on there like that. And you can tighten those screws up a little bit more so it doesn't fall off.